Okay, I want to talk for a minute about this 3D printed case for the KS5016 board, this board right here, that is from Keyestudio. It's got this silver square chip, which is a Wi-Fi connection, ESP32 WROOM board. I 3D printed a case for it. I'll give you the blueprint, the STL file for this case. If you've got a printer or you have a friend who has a printer, you can print this case and then attach it to a standard Lego base plate. I think you can see where we're going here. The idea is to use the whole Lego form factor system to mount various inputs and outputs, these peripheral accessories like a fan or a sensor, onto a Lego base retainer, some kind of bracket. This one, the fan is mounted here with a Velcro. That keeps everything tidy, neat. You don't have to worry about these blades hitting anything. You can add a minifigure if you want to make it more interesting for kids. This is a 3D printed beam, this pink one. There are blueprints for 3D printed Lego pieces. These are mechanical pieces. They're called mechanical or Technic pieces, but they fit the same as bricks on Lego Baseplate. You can find on Thingiverse blueprints for various Lego systems. Now what I did on this one is I printed a stud base for the bottom of this box, this case. The bottom is actually like this base so that I could attach both sides of the case and the base using a beam. In the case of this battery pack, those two beams are just glued on with hot glue. So that's another way of attaching and stabilizing everything so that it's not flopping around, moving all over. Here's what it looks like on Tinkercad where I made it. I just took measurements and then duplicated the form of this board and printed it out. So there will be more about what we're doing. We're just trying to figure out ways to really stabilize, organize. Got a lot of different options on our beams. We'll have more about all this.